what is the potential on how it is going to impact on the society?
So actually we are into clean tech technology. So where we are reducing carbon footprint. So our main motto is to reduce carbon footprint at different level. So be it laundry, be it swimming pool, be it STP. So we have different product using same solution. We are giving for different options. At different stage we are giving cost cutting. So in terms, if suppose if you consider laundry, so there are a lot of detergents being used. So we are reducing the detergent use by 50 to 60%, and we reduce the usage of hot water by 70 to 80%. So again, the hot water source is reduced if you are using LPG or whatever. So that is reduced. Apart from that, for swimming pool, we reduce chlorine usage by 90%. So actually, most of the ladies or kids doesn't want to go to swimming pool because of it tanning, the burning of eyes, skin itching, and the common problem happens because of chlorine. So that we can reduce with our technology by 90%. We have a small device, the washroom deodorizer. So what happens? How much you clean washroom, common toilets and public toilets. So the odor remains there. So for that we have designed this product which removes the odor. So it works on continuous basis 24/7 and it reduces the odor. Similarly, all our vegetables are today full of chemicals. So we have designed a product where it removes the pesticide by 80% and chemicals by 80 to 90%. Especially
Which one is that product? Pesticides.
yeah,
This one is pesticide. So this is small.
this is for small house application, home application.
Can you have some different how it works?
So basically, it takes atmospheric oxygen, and inside we have a oxygen generator.
Just one आवाज नहीं आएगा.
So what we do generally, so first the air is taken inside, and we have active oxygen producing a small device. So we that produce, and from there the bubble comes, that active oxygen comes from here, and when we put it inside the water, it starts bubbling. And that is basically the oxygen what we are supplying, extra oxygen, and that removes the extra pesticides on fruits, vegetable, leafy vegetables. So there are leafy vegetables which you cannot wash with hot water, or maybe like grapes, fruit like grapes, apples, where you cannot, like it should be consumed whole. But now because of pesticide we don't consume. So everything can be saved if you are using this. Just
What is
straight away
the
use.
commercial on this?
So this cost around 5,500 rupees, and there is no consumable required. It is just a plug and play. Just switch on and start using.
Understand. You have to
All
give
our
it the
products
water.
are like that. So this is 15,000. Here in offer we are giving 9,500. So this again has a 3 mode, covers up to 200 square feet of minimum.